Okay, now I assume everybody had a chance to look at that and figure out the answers on most of them or all of them. It was very good to see your answer. Let's look at the situation here. Class lines would store lines, so I may assume like a line information, then who should I say? I'm not very good. Tom, Ben, all boys. So I assume the input will be looks like that in each line. Then we are going to get for the line, we are going to store into the map. So there will be like a line 2. This time I'm going to say like a first name, and I'm not very good. Jen, and how about Cindy? If you call the set person method, what it has is it is having the list and it is reading everything as a string. List 0 will have line value, something like 1 or 2 or 3. Then list 1 would have the person. Oh, that means there is just one line and one person. Looks like I was wrong. So I'm going to delete those names. I assume there's only one person. Okay. Then there is a set of string. So for this set, actually, you can use a hash set or tree set. I'm going to check when I store into the map, if the map has already the line number. That means I actually assume line number 1, Tom, line number 2, then something like this. Now I figured out what does it look like. Cindy. So I need to check if the line number is in the map as a key, because that is a key. So what number 1 should have is, for my map is global. I need to check if it contains key, K is uppercase, then the line number. Line number is stored into the variable line. So I need to check it. If line is already there, that means in the dictionary, line 1 already have a set. So in this case, you can just add one more name into the set. So you're going to get map.getLine. So this one will return the set reference. To the set reference, you are going to add the person. Then actually map does not know what's S. So you have to put this new S, updated S, into the map back. So you have to say map.put, then key we already know, line, and set is S. So that is what number 3 will have. Is there any shortcut? 3 lines are too long. Yeah, there is a shortcut. You don't need S actually in this case. When you do, you can just directly call map.get line dot add person. Else case means the map does not have a line as a key. So you have to make, that means it has actually currently null. So you have to assign the new set object. So you're gonna make the new, I may want to use a tree set because I want alphabetical order. Then we already know this is a string type. Then after you make the tree set object, now S has an empty tree set, so you have to add the person. Then you're going to do same thing, map dot put line and S. When you print all the values, what does it request is expecting is key and all the names. So this one is expecting key is printed, then after one space, then map.getKey, that means the whole set. I probably will have like for the like one, Adam, and Ben, and Tom, because it changed to the alphabetical order. Because I used the tree set, thanks to tree set. So this is expectation. So I need to go over the key every single time. So this one is already says for, that means I'm supposed to enhance the for loop. And we already know key is also string type. So I'm going to say string. Variable name is already given as key. So key or lowercase colon. Then I'm going to say map dot all the keys of the map. Keyset method will return the all the keys as is uppercase. So that's what number 4 will have. From now, if you hurry, you can finish your dictionary. Then we're going to start the quiz at 12:10. So have productive time from now.